Hi, this is Dorothy Wilkes. I'm a customer success specialist here at Enphase Energy. And today I'm going to walk you through an overview of Enlighten Manager, which is our Enphase portal. And also I'm going to go over permit services. So first of all, when you log into your Enlighten Manager, this is what screen you're going to see. So you're going to see your company performance scorecard, which is how long you've been installing Enphase, how many sites you've commissioned, microinverters installed, batteries installed, if you have a net promoter score, and what authorized certifications you have completed. Also, if you're part of our EIN network, there is an EIN dashboard. Depending on what installer status, if you have silver, gold, platinum, you can view your EIN status and also give you an overview of your installations, net promoter score. You have access to digital assets, merchandise credits, and then you can also upload or view your Google reviews, Yelp reviews, solar reviews, or Better Business Bureau reviews. So just a quick overview of that. At the top of the screen, the dashboard, this is where you'll access all of our other things we have to offer. So systems, you can view your systems list. This is our new kiosk view settings, so you can also access our kiosk view. It's where you can upload and you can do a quick view of kiosk view, which gives you an overview of fleet achievement for all your sites, environmental impact. So this is a really cool feature, new feature we have. Under account, you could set up your company profile. You could add branch offices, add additional users, any service areas, leads, and our Enphase installer network. We just went over the EIN network. Any authorized subcontractors you can add as well. And under services, so we have our Enphase store where you can purchase merchandise, our LPP program, permit assistance, which we'll talk about more in a minute, our RMA dashboard, incentive programs such as the SGIP rebate program for batteries out of the state of California, EIN merchandise, the design and proposal tool, which is SolarGraph, design review service, and the BOM calculator. So this is a quick overview of all of our services. Now for the permit assistance, basically we could create proposal drawings, permit plan sets, engineering review and stamps, EV charging plan sets as well. So this is just a quick overview of all of our services for our proposal drawings. Example of the permit plan sets, which includes the title page, electrical details, interconnection method, and this is all done within a few hours. Our typical turnaround is about 24 hours. Also the engineering review and stamps, as-built drawings. And all this information can be found at designandpermit.enphase.com/services. Now I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of how you could submit for permit assistance. So when you first log in, you want to go to services and the permit assistance. You create a new request. And you can select from a list of systems already in Enlighten, or you could create a new system here. We're going to go ahead and select from a test system we've already set up here. Locate it real quick here. Click proceed. Let me find that system one more time here. There we go. So that's going to take you to the project page. So within this project page, you're going to pull in, is it residential, is it commercial? You're going to fill in the system project name, the customer name, address, everything with asterisks is a required field. So if it's not completed, it will not let you proceed to the next page. You're going to fill in the utility provider. All of these are drop downs based on the address. The AHJ, and if there's any specific requirements that you're aware of, we do work with all AHJs, so we should be able to find their specific requirements. And then if you have the installer license number, you can put that in here. We're going to click proceed, the bottom of the page. This is going to take you to system design. So this is where you'll provide, what's the type? Is it a new installation? Are you adding additional panels? What's the system type? Is there an energy storage system attached? Is it partial or whole home backup, grid tied? You'll fill in the array manufacturer, model number, installation type, all the array information, the inverter information, manufacturer, models, and we have drop downs on all of these. Storage information, type of battery is it, and any other materials like PV performance meter, etc. You can add additional materials here. You're also going to fill out all the racking and attachment property information. The wind speed and snow load should automatically upload. Click proceed. It's then going to take you to the electrical page. So this is where you'll provide details of the equipment and electrical properties at the site. Interconnection into subpanel, loads tap, what is the interconnection, existing meter, new subpanel, whatever the interconnection location is, any other special notes, the location of the equipment, the electrical properties. Also place the marker, this pin, at exactly where the main service panel and utility meter location is. So there's 2 pins, one for the main service panel, one for the utility meter on the property. The main breaker information, main bus information. Here we'll need a screenshot of the main service panel with dead front and without, and also the utility meter photo, and main service panel with stickers if you have. And the specific one, they've had a sub panel, so if you have sub panel pictures as well. If there's a generator, you would check yes or no, and if it's yes, you would fill out more information for the generator. Click proceed. It then takes you to the other details page. This is where you upload any proposals you already have, any hand-drawn sketches you may have. You give us a Google link, Google Drive, Dropbox, or update a picture. Upload a picture. You can also upload photos of the site that would be helpful. We have a photo upload checklist. These are documents we would like to see, especially for electrical review and structural review. If you have any of these documents, upload would greatly help us creating this plan set. You could also give us a link with Google Drive and Dropbox. Then you would click proceed. So then this takes you to the services page. This is where it'll give you basically all the pricing. This is a test site, so this pricing is just generic. We can quote you specifically for your specific project. So you can order permit drawings, you can order electrical review, you can add permit drawings, electrical review, and structural. You can order all of it or a la carte, and then also physical stamps. At this point, you would click proceed to payment, and it would take you to our Enphase store where you would make the payment for the product. Now, once you have made the payment for the product, let me give you an example of what you will see. All the correspondence will happen within the portal. So for example, this one gives you an example. So this project has already been submitted to us. You will see that it has been submitted, what the date is. It's under progress. When the permit set is available, it'll give you a specific date when the permit was available. It'll tell you, please upload additional documents. If we need additional documents, you would just upload that with a paperclip icon and then upload from your computer. If you need to submit for a correction or for stamping, order additional stamps, view or edit anything, it would all happen here within the portal. So you have all the traceability within the portal of your permit package. So that's an overall view of our permit assistance. If you have any questions or would like to order a permit package, please email us at permitassistance@enphaseenergy.com, and we can set up a time and walk you through the process if you need assistance. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.